So welcome back guys. Now we are going to learn how to connect two different network with the help of router. So previously we have learned how to connect two different computer, uh, I mean more than two computer with the help of switch of same network. But now we are going to learn about how to connect two different network with help of router. So if you haven't watched my previous video, so go and please watch. The link will be in the description. That will help you. So now let's see. So first we'll make one. So we'll make two network. So for that we need switch. So I will copy this and I'll again paste this. Okay. So I'll make one switch over here. One more switch over here. And obviously one router. So what we are going to do over here is that we are going to connect two different network. This will be one separate network and this will be a separate network, and now we'll be connecting all these through a common access point. So now let's connect. Just for automatical connection, press Ctrl button of your keyboard, press in this symbol, and then you are good to go for connection. Connect this to the router, connect this to the switch, connect this. So I'm clicking twice, so that is creating a problem. So all this orange will turn into green after some time, and for this red I'll be showing. So just press escape. So now let's assign. So basically this is a separate network, so the IP address of this network will be different and the IP address of this network will be different, but only the network section. So now let's jump towards our IP address. So I'll be assigning the IP address of 101, I mean 1.1. So I'll copy this, copy, and now this will be 1.2. This will be 1.2. And this will be 1.3. 1.3. Okay. So now we'll be doing one more additional thing, that is a default gateway. So what is the gateway? So while passing the one message from this computer to this computer, the message will transfer through a gateway. That is, the gateway is a router. So we will be assigning the IP address of the router in this section. Later on I will be saying how to assign it. So switch doesn't have its IP address, so now we'll assign to the router. Look, so if we'll go in config, then we'll see that the giga ethernet 0/0, that is this portion. So if you will hover your cursor to the red section, then you can see 0/0, right? Can you see 0/0? So this means the 0/0 represent this portion of the network. So we have assigned the same network that was up to the IP address of this PC was 192.168.1.3. So now we'll be assigning it to the 4, because the router, and so the half part of the router will be acting as the network on, and the remaining half part of the router will be acting as the as the network 2. That's why. So we are signing on a dot. So this 1.4 mean the network will first. We'll click on this, and then do not forget to check on this section on. So if you check on this section, then this red color will automatically change into green. So let's see. Look, the red color automatically change into green, and this orange will change into green after some time. So we are good to go now. So this is 0/1. I mean, the half part of the router will be assigned according to the network IP address. So I'll be assigning it later on. So now let's say. So my the IP address of my previous network was 1.1. So now I'll be assigning it to, I mean, any value as your is, but except one, because one is already assigned to this network. So 0, either 0, 2, or more than 2 up to 225. So we will assign for simpler 2, so that it will be easy for us to remember. And again, the default gateway will be the gateway of the router. That means the IP address of the router. I mean, the router will contain two IP address. The first, the router is divided into two. The first one will be of our network 1, and the second one will be of network 2. So later on we will be assigning it. So till then, let's got it. I will just copy the IP address of this, and I'll just paste. Just copy. Desktop, and I'll paste. Here I'll assign 2, and here I'll assign 3. Right. So now, so we have we have completed half of our connection. So now we'll go to 0/1. 0/1 represent the network 2. As we can see, if we hover here, then we will be able to see. Look, did you saw that? That means this part is 0/1. So we'll click on 0/1, and we'll checking out this part, and the IP address of that was 192.168.2. 2 means the another network. .1. So it was .1, .2, .3. So now this will be .4. I mean, you can keep as you like. There is a freedom, but it not will be repeated like in previous you have used 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. So except 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, you can use any number up to 225. So just for simpler, I am using 2.4. So this is a gateway of all this network 2.4. So I'll copy this. So this is gateway of all this. So I'll be assigning as a gateway. Gateway means all the messages from this computer passing to this computer will pass through routers. That's why that is the gateway. So are you getting? So if you'll get any problem regarding this, then feel free to okay. So now we have assigned the gateway, right? So this is 0/0. So I'll be copying the IP address of the remaining half router, and I'll be assigning this IP address to this network 0 over here. And after doing this much, our system will be ready to go. Now we have totally finished our working. So let me explain you that this part is a different network, because the IP address of this part is 192.168.2. 168.1.1. It's starting from 1.1, and the IP address of this network is starting from 2.1. So the second last octet number is the network number. So this shows that these two I mean these two network are of different kind. So we use a router to connect this type of network. So a router act as a gateway. So simply we can say that the router is divided into two half. The for that we wish to assign two different IP address in of the router. So the half part will be assigned according to the network horn, and the remaining half part of router will be assigned according to the network 2. And the same IP address will be the gateway of with these respective networks. So now let's try to check whether we have done some mistake or not. So first I'll be checking from the same local network, and it's got successful. Now I'll be look, you can see that PC4, that is this is PC4, source PC4 to destination laptop 4, source PC4 to destination laptop 4. It got success. So now I'll be trying this in the different network, and this also got success from PC41 to the destination laptop 41. This is also got successful. So now we'll try to move our message package from this network to the whole different network. Now let's see. I will be transferring from this to here to here. It's showing me fail. So let's look. So I'll try once again from here to here. It's showing fail again. So no problem. We'll see why this. Okay. Everything seems to be okay. If we hover here, then we can see the IP address of 2.1, 2.4, 2.1, 2.4, 2.2, 2.4, 2.3, 2.4. Everything seems to be good only. The IP address of 1.4, 2.4. Let's once check. Let's check here. Let's start. So I increase the speed. It's going. It's coming here. It's coming here. It's going again. It's going again. It's going again. It's going. It's become success, right? So the result was success. So it might be the glitch. So we'll again check once again. So I'll delete all this. Again check from this laptop to this laptop. I'll do in real time. So this will show me the real time result from this laptop to this laptop. It's become successful. So previously it might be the glitch. So, failed. So let's check why it's being failed. This might be occur according. This might occur due to the net, I guess. So it's going there, from here it will go here, from it will again return back. So let's see the status. It's successful, right? It's successful. So this is a glitch. Sometimes it give glitch, I guess. Everything, all the connection is totally fine. Look, will give in real time. Look, successful. So from this PC to this PC, look successful. Again I'll clear and I'll show you. From this laptop to this laptop, successful. From this PC to this PC, it's successful. So in this video we have learned how to connect two different networks through a router. So I have been made a playlist of how to on how to connect two two different networks, two computers or a number of computers through a switch, you can access that playlist, and it will help you a lot. So if you like my videos, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the good quality of content, and don't forget to hit that like button. So thank you.